Morning everybody. So today is Sunday and it's been kind of eventful already. So Michael, my husband, dropped a glass jar and screamed out or yelled out the F word. And then Michael Jr., who I've been trying not to curse around him, goes and says the F word super loud, and we were like, oh. We were trying to prevent it for the longest time and it happened. Oh my gosh. So hopefully now he just doesn't repeat it over and over and over again. So anyways, it's Sunday and I am going to meal prep some food for Michael for the week for his lunch. I'm just making him a couple of sandwiches and then a yogurt parfait for lunch, for breakfast. So yeah, that's what we're doing right now. So here are his lunches and breakfast for the next couple of days. So I made a parfait which has yogurt, granola, and then some fruit. I put banana in pears. And then I made 2 mason jars with creamer. And then in the morning I just make his coffee really quick. I have 3 just ham and cheese sandwiches, 2 leftover donuts right here, and then some Doritos packed in Ziploc bags. And then I just have to pack him like 2 more snacks and he's good. And yes, I use a lot of Ziploc bags and Michael always gets on me about that, but I don't know what else to use, so that's what we use for now. I'm pregnant and Michael, my husband, seems to think that I'm already on nesting mode, and I kind of think I am because I've been on it for 2 months already. Just said. So the other day Michael, my son's birthday just passed. He just turned 2 years old and he got tons of new toys and they were just driving me bonkers, guys. Like I was just going crazy with how many toys he had. It just gave me like a lot of anxiety. So he still has a lot of toys, but I decluttered a ton. I have 3 full garbage bags full of toys. And in the back room, so in our garage, we have this closet full of like baby stuff. Just tons and tons of baby stuff that we're gonna use for the next baby. So all the toys, all the extra stuff just gets thrown in here, and when it gets closer to the baby coming, we'll take it all out, clean it, and reuse. What happened?
Baby's coming.
Who's coming?
Baby's coming.
The baby's coming? Back room, there's 3 rooms. There's the garage, this little like, I don't know, I think they rented this out before we moved into this house. I think they rented this out as a little back house. And then there's like this room, and we basically just use this as storage. So in here is where I have all my decorations. So I have like Christmas, Halloween, Thanksgiving, all my stuff here. I have all my crafting supplies here. And then Mike is actually doing something with this cabinet, so it won't be here for too long. But yeah, I'm taking out all our Christmas stuff today. Ooh, can you guys hear I'm out of breath? I'm taking out all our Christmas stuff today and putting away all of our Thanksgiving stuff, so that's really exciting. lots of boxes. I need one more. And then I can start taking down all of my Thanksgiving stuff and getting all my Christmas stuff. Totally forgot last year I bought a lot of Christmas stuff on clearance after the holiday. And when I opened the box I saw it and I got really excited. So I'm super excited to decorate. Okay, so we got all our containers in and I'm so excited. So this is my Christmas container. Oh no, that's not it. This is my Thanksgiving container that I need to fill up. That's my Christmas container down there. And then this one has like all the wrapping paper and like stuff like that. And then here is like all my mugs and everything that I'm so excited to wash and put up by our coffee table or coffee corner. I'm so excited for all of this. So Thanksgiving was just this past Thursday. And I swear my mom, so I'm Mexican and my mom sent us home with like so much food. Like we're still eating leftovers from Thanksgiving on Thursday and today it's Sunday. And yeah, so I still have some tamales that we need to eat and then some turkey. But she sent us home with like bread, mashed potatoes, stuffing, like everything that involves a Thanksgiving dinner, she sent us home with. And I don't know if that's just a Mexican mom thing, but she did it. You want turkey?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna give you turkey.
Come on, buddy.
So I unwrapped all of our mugs and I'm so excited to use these. I don't know which one is my favorite. I really like this one. We just got this one last year. And then this one's so cute because it's so festive. But this one, the one with the moose, and this one, the one with the penguins, we've had the longest. And I mean, they're chipped already, so we just had to be careful when drinking. But we've had those for like 5 or 6 years, since even before we were married we got these. And yeah, I just love these. I love my bugs. Okay, so I have all my fall decor out and I have some more like on the tables. I have some here, but it was moved over here and then I have all of that. And while I do that, they're gonna sit on the couch because Michael doesn't feel good and he doesn't like to be alone when he doesn't feel good. So they're gonna sit there while I clean everything up. So all of my Christmas decor is out. I have a ton of Christmas decor. But it's getting close to dinner time and I still haven't started. So I am gonna start making some dinner. And I don't think my beef or beans are defrosted yet. But I'm gonna cook them anyways because it's almost dinner time and I haven't started anything. I am doing a beef taco bowl. So I'm gonna do beans, beef, corn, rice, cheese, salsa, tortilla chips, all that good stuff. I was able to get everything done from frozen. So I have some beef with the carne asada seasoning that you guys saw. We've used that a couple of times and it tastes really good. And then my pinto beans, you guys have seen me make a video on my pinto beans and I freeze them. And this is what one of the bags was. And I have some canned corn. I made some white rice and then we'll have some salsa, some cheese, and some tortilla chips all in a bowl. And I'm on time. It's only 4:43. Dinner is at 5.
Mama!
Stand up. Oh, nope. He doesn't want it on camera.
Try again. Show me.
Ah.
Oh my gosh. Touch the ceiling. Touch the ceiling.
Hands up.
With your hands.
Hands up.
No.
No. Alright, so here are our bowls. They look pretty good. And this is basically the bowl but laid out. So we have corn. Sir,
Good.
what's wrong?
Good.
You want corn? I will give you corn.
Good.
Yeah, ask Daddy to put you in your chair. Hurry. Look, your plate is right there.
Good.
It's good, huh? I know. Can you ask Daddy to put you in your chair?
Come on, buddy.
I'm coming.
Yeah, Daddy's coming. Hurry. Ask Daddy to put you in your chair so we can have dinner. Go. Daddy's waiting for you. So we have corn, white rice, the beef, and then some beans with a little bit of cheese on top. And then we're also having some tortilla chips and some salsa. And that's dinner for today. So Christmas decoration is on hold because this little boy is not having a good time right now. He is not feeling very good. He's being grumpy, so I'm laying on the floor with him watching Coco. You feeling okay? I'm not feeling good. So I think we're gonna call it a night here, and I hope you guys enjoyed my vlog. And you guys will see my decorate with me in a couple of days, so I hope you guys enjoy that. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye! You wanna say bye-bye?
Bye-bye.
Say goodnight!
Good night.
Bye everybody.
Bye-bye.
Bye everybody.
Because
Cars.